Oh yeah, observatory soon. Been clearing trees. Oh, nice pond. Changing a few things. Let's go towards where it's going to be. Oh, change a few things. Taking down fences. This is a very steep drive. Anyway, still loads of groundwork to do. It's a shaky camera work. Oh, right. Avery used to be here on this section. We've got taken down. That tree used to be twice as tall. Anyway, it was actually the top part was actually dead. Anyway, going up this way. And you'll see whereabouts it's going to go. Although a lot of clearing's got to be done yet. Climbing over this wall that's been taken down. Actually climb on this back wall now. Oh my god, that was steep. Anyway, north face here. North Star somewhere north there normally. East is in that direction. South. Southwest, that's a bit steep, isn't it? There's west, northwest, and that's north. Let's go back around here again. Although some of these trees will be half taken down and stuff. The observatory's going in there once it's all cleared, if I can. Anyway, see you soon.